Hello, beautiful people from all over Mzansi. Oh yeah, there's a guy from Tinaga who's currently in America. So he said he felt excluded because last week I said Mulwen ban basemzansi. So yeah, hello world. Igama lam VUYISEKA MAGUGA. And these are Ekhaya conversations right here on Ekhaya sessions. And today we have the wonderful Asisipho Nyathi. Yeah, unjani girl? I'm good, man. Welcome. You are the first lady to come up after Umna and Balimna, cause yeah. So yeah, this is episode number 5. 5 is a number of grace. So we pray that everything is yenza isitachayo you receive more grace. Yabo?
Yeah,
so yeah, let's get into it.
Yeah.
I don't know you, Umna, but uhlala av ebheka Sakaya. And I think when I started seeing you, I thought, okay, no, cause I don't wanna lie, you've always had like how libaleki, yabo. You've always said, like, when I first saw you, I didn't forget you. So when I saw you again, I knew, okay, but I don't know you. I don't remember you and stuff like that. But I was born and raised here. So yeah, tell us.
Okay, igama lam Asisipho Nyathi, and as you said, ndihlala eBhek, eBhek kwasekhaya.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was born in Cape Town, and then ndahlala in Cape Town for a while, but ndakhulela apha eBhek, khuliswa ngumakhulu. So yeah, that's why you don't know me, because I'm from Cape Town.
Oh yeah, and then Cape Town. So umgeni nekapa?
Nekapa noma ndimke ngo 2013.
2013.
Yeah, ndimke ngo 2013 ekapa, and then ndamovela apha eBhek kumakhulu.
Okay. Yeah. So ungumntaka makhulu.
We have
something in common. Tell me, from umntana kamakhulu to umntana kamakhulu, modeling. I've there's a cousin of mine who wayesenza in modeling classes when we were younger. And tell me, like, I don't know, your modeling, I think it's different from how everybody is doing.
Yeah. Like,
tell me why that route, and also how it started.
Okay, modeling it started in 2014.
Okay.
So growing up, I've always wanted to be a model. Like kudala
it's fine.
Pictures that was me as a child.
Yeah.
So in 2014, there's this lady, in Tanda. Yeah, but so she was a model. And then I told her in 2014 September, like, sis, man, ndiyafuna uba model, ndingenza njani? So I'm like, don't worry, I'll introduce you to any friend any agency. And then that's how I started this modeling thing till today. So man, ndayiqala kahle yenza. And then I told myself, no man, I don't want to be like anyone. Yeah, like andifuna ufana nezi models by siya kwi auditions uthathu ungathathwa, like, let me go there prepared, let me go there xa ndifika pha ndifike beyazi ba sure kukho la mntana uazi and we wish aze. Yeah. So yeah, in 2020 I told myself, let me do something different. And then yeah, that's how I started to be unique from other models,
which is Asisipho meets the brand.
Okay. Asisipho Nyathi meets brands.
Oh wow, Asisipho Nyathi meets brands. Okay, you know when you did your shoot with the Ginger Sakaya, when ngokwa untacha, I was like, yo, like in the busy mna.
I remember.
And also I think I've received a lot of people about, you know, there's this mentality ebantwini where xabethenga a local brand ibangathi bakwenzela favor.
Yeah,
yabo okanye when they support okanye when they book a local person ibangathi basenzeli favor.
Yeah.
And it's not like that. Like you want the service okanye you want the product and then I give you. So let's treat the businesses there too.
Yeah.
So when you contacted me with uba ufuna ukwenza shooting neginger yasekhaya, and I was like, yo, this girl ndithengisa iginger eyoba uyenza ntoni after that, I don't care. I just sell the way qha. And then you did the photo shoot and I was like, snap. It was too cool for you, because it was too cool, because I think Ginger Sakaya zezinye zendlela that I wanted to be presented. So I want to know like those ideas, because I know you feature different brands, and then like how do you come up with ideas of, okay, ishoot Ginger Sakaya izaba nje, ishoot yempahla ethile izaba nje, ishoot kabanibani izaba ngohlobo. So like how do you come up with those ideas?
Hey, as you believe again. So, I was with my friend Ozizilembanga, and so now bala about okay, how we gonna start, how we gonna do this, and then you came up to my mind. I was like, love child, man, love child. So I'm like, oh, okay, it's ginger. Like so bala pants. Lambi tuba. We were thinking, how we gonna do this? Because we always think, how we going to do this? And we give ourselves time. Before Sizekuwe. We come to you, sesiyazi. So if we're now uti, that's your bad. Because we had this big idea. So, and then we thought, and then it was like, let's do it 5 ways. Like, okay, 5 ways, I'm going to stand in the middle of the road. So now this is us bringing Ginger Sakaya to the world. Because Ginger Sakaya yaselokishini kaSlam. Pa etawuna bayaz. Abagqithayo, I'm sure abagqithile on that day. Bayibona. So we were bringing Ginger Sakaya to the world. So that's how we do it, Tina. And then nakwezinye ke ngoku brands, we sit down, give ourselves time, sicinge ba how are we gonna do this? Injani le brand yakhe. Since in research, have you ever done this before? Okay. Have you ever did this and that and that? And then if uzange wenza next we rock it.
You see, I love Ama 2000 because ingqondo yabo ilawe. But and then I want to know Kengokuba, has there ever been a time, has there ever been a brand yathi no? And how did you handle Landele?
Rejections are not
because I think already, like as you say, ba uza emntwini senigqibile ba izaba njani, and then once they say no ke ngoku
it's not easy, but ke we always find we always have a plan B. Okay. We always have a plan B. So siza kuwe with the idea, and then when it's all up to you bama uthi uthi. And then if you say no, you know someone that knows someone unga sinceda.
So it goes back to this thing that I recently wrote on Facebook, Quidoba. When someone says no to you, it doesn't mean they don't want you to succeed. They have something against you. It's just that you don't fit in whatever that abazama ukuyenza with their brand.
Totally understand. We totally understand, and we're cool with that.
Kamnand. Okay, moving right along. How are you anywhere cleaned out that you thought you'll be?
Whoa.
Okanye uphambili, okanye ungasemva, okanye you are right there.
December, great.
December.
I don't want to lie. I don't want to lie. And the reaction that I'm getting from people, it's like I'm there.
And but when
I know, like according to Iplanium that I wrote, I'm not even half there. I'm not even there. But people love what I do, and it gives me power.
And it's gonna get there.
So and sorry, and to believe again about everything you can imagine is real. That's me
Definitely,
every day. That's me every day, telling myself about everything
that you can imagine is real.
yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah. So I wanna say to you, don't be hard on yourself. Yeah, but you might not be where you thought you'd be ngela xesha, but you are definitely not where you were when ngokya wawuqala. So don't be hard on yourself. There's like zininzi izinto ezintswembu that are gonna come. I know recently you were doing something big at Tramways.
Yeah.
Like take me through that opportunity. Take me through like the whole experience. Yeah, young. And what was it? Of course.
So okay, let me start over. I once went to auditions in April. This is a Tramways too. So because our auditions, I didn't make it, and it was the most heartbreaking pain I've ever felt. At your rejection, like I'm right. So me getting a gig as a Tramways, it was all like a dream come true because Club Fashion Show, I never went to your auditions. That's how God is. I never went to your auditions. They took me Bantanda with what I do. Asisipho Nyathi Miss Brands. So that's how I got through Pana. And when I got there, and I always tell myself that wherever I go, wherever I am, I'll always shine. So when I got there, I was shining. Literally shining. And for me, that was something amazing. That was so amazing. Yeah. So that's how I got there. Because Love Fashion Show. And I thank God. I thank God.
Yeah, man. Okay. Because I think we're too in like in everything that we try along the way, you are bound to get rejection.
Yeah.
You are bound to get someone who's at no okanya onga whatever
the bigger
that
picture.
yeah. And I like the fact that ababandu bakbone as Asisipho meets brand, and then baktanda as that, because I think utiko in most cases akati no uthi mhlambi not now okanye athi not ngolu hlobo. So kusenokwenzeka ba if babekuthathile in April bekuzawufuneka kubekho criteria that you were not gonna meet, but you had to build yourself from there up until now, and then ke ngoku bakwazi ukuthatha as you. Because what I like about you is something that I always tell creatives ba, you need to reinvent yourself like every day. You can't just iphela imini thinking ba hayi abantu izolo bendenze this thing enkulu. You must reinvent every day. You must reinvent every day, so that whoever that sees you uzakubona ready.
Yeah.
So that xa ekufonela ba yo kukho into enje on Friday, and then you are ready.
And based on what you said, I've always got compliments ezinjengoba hayi ngubonanga wena uphila isibona. It's because I'm ready every day. I'm ready every day. The moment I wake up, I tell myself there might be someone in Bonayo out there. Spa, let me catwalk on my way to Spa. Let me catwalk at Klinikasi because someone might see me. Yeah. So I really live by that bandi pilis bonang.
No. So yeah, I know, but there's a lot that you tap into. There's a lot that you do. I went just modeling alone. So like, tell me what else do you do, and also how do you what does it take for you to go from this brand, from this thing oyenzayo with this brand, and to the next?
Okay, I'm so talented, and I believe in that. I am so talented. Like, and in fact.
You are so talented.
Yeah. So what I do is the business photo frames.
Okay.
And I also do pedicure. And yeah, I'm not just a model and ndiyafunda nofunda. So
Oh.
yeah, I do a lot. Yeah, ndiyafana nayo ndibhizi. So yeah, but kuyo yonke le nto leyo, I know when is the right time to do this, when is the right time to do that. Because isikolo at the same time, funeke ndisimaintainile. Isikolo sinendawo yazo, modeling nendawo yayo, yonke into inexesha layo, as umakhulu ethanda ukutsho. So yeah, I am so talented.
Okay. So how do you survive? How do you because indaba of being a creative, it's not an easy task. One uyakastave was trying to fund the dream, okanye to fund the brand. So like how do you survive? How do you make sure okay, ezinye izinto are taken care of? I don't ask for too much endlini, because I mean we must be nekasibacingela abantu we must be realistic. Sibacingela abantu ayikho mnandi laa nto yoba okoko kufakwa phaa kuwe and abanye abantu mhlawumbi bayaneglectwa. And the truth of the matter is that being a creative is tough.
It is. Right?
So how do you survive? How do you make sure this thing is not heavy on your shoulders, so that is about productive also?
Me as a person, how do I survive? I always make sure that I save.
Okay.
I always make sure that I save, and whatever that is needed to business I have to khupha imali, because remember, andenzeli denzela mna andenzeli wena. So now if ndibamba imali ayizubandle, the idea that I have on my mind azuba yiyo lena. Yabo. So you have to give money to your business, even if it's more than that you get. Apha wenzeli olove child. Apha wenzeli abantu basewoma. Wenzela wena. And your thing have to be ibe neat, in order for people to be attracted by what you do. Yeah. So if ngizoba stingy for myself,
you need to invest in yourself.
I have to. And along the way you get challenges that makes you want to give up, challenges that makes you feel like, you know what,
Yo, take me through that. Those challenges that have made you ufuna give up. Because my next question was gonna be, has there ever been a time where you felt like you need to prove to yourself like this is what I was born to do? Has there ever been a time, and how did you face that? So take me through those challenges. Okay, you know what?
Okay, before sithethe ngabanye abantu, we get challenges nasendlini. Like we get challenges nasendlini, challenges of, not that my family doesn't support me, but they do. But you get challenges whereby you need imvume from a family. You get challenges such as funeke bona, like ufuna bona bakunqine Asisipho wenza kahle. And sometimes we're looking for that. Kube abantu bengazithetha elo hlobo bona ehlobo sifuna
ngalo wena.
Yabo.
And so, it doesn't mean abak support.
Yeah, but ke ukabenzi ngehlobo ndifuna ngalo, and they will never do because into ifuna ndim. Not bona. And we also want people to support us, not thinking abanye abantu, they support you when you're driving a car. They don't support you when you're struggling. They don't support you in process. They support you xa kuthiwa uasi ebefote no bonang, uasi ebefote no banban ngapha phesheya. That's when they support you. That's when you get cousins. Obungazazi. That's when you get siyazalana mntase ungumajola umntana sekhaya
siyazalana. Nganilibali.
So yeah, we get challenges as njalo before siye challenges the industry. We face challenges kwalapha. Yabo. So when you go out there, sifumani challenges whereby your idea abanye abantu se omnye umuntu seyithathile ukhombe do you know how much I put it in kule idea when ithathayo? Do you know how much I saved? Do you know how much I sacrificed for le nto ithathayo? And it's painful. I don't want to lie. It's painful seeing into yakho isenziwa ngomnye umntu. It's painful, and I like he says ininzi kule nto yam sendiqalile sebakhona abe sebeyenzile ewe into entle iyagojwa but hey bethunana ndisengumntana mna.
I'm gonna say when you visionary, vision is always gonna stick with you. So noba abantu bangaba ideas okanye kuthini, once bayibe le idea uzophinda wena ulala uvuke with another idea.
It's painful,
because
man.
I know, because vision nguwe visionary, and also if bezingekho challenges bungazokhula thick skin, because what I can tell you, the creative industry, it needs you to have a thick skin. Like the conversation we were having before siqale ngoku, like I mean the industry really, it needs you bama bane thick skin. I come nandi and that's wrong, you understand? But I want to say to you, ba, you are a visionary. Ideas will always come to you. Yeah. So yeah. Now let's get to, you are here now. I don't want to say where do you see yourself in 5 years. I don't want to ask that. I want to ask, you are here and Jebulapa. What do you think uyayidinga for you to from here to get to wherever you wanna go?
What would I say they need?
Yeah.
At this point, I don't need anything, honestly, because sorry, but because I believe ngindeba engaske yonke into ndi experience ngokwam, ngaske yonke into izenzekele ngokwam in order for me to move forward.
Yeah.
Because if I say ngoku ndinid imali and I get the cash, ndizenza ndo.
Hey, I need them, like guys, man.
When that's you. You need the cash. You okay, Maditi. What do I need? I need more brands to come on my way.
Come on board. Yeah.
That's what I need.
Yeah.
So
that is opusha lendo yakho.
Yeah, and I believe it's going far.
Ne?
Yeah, and I believe it's going far. And guys, please come through with your brands. I have so many ideas. Ideas isn't yeah, because I like to be different. I like to be unique. I don't want to do something a love child. Ingaske shine in your own stage. Please shine like Wednesday indo that you're good at. So that was a masterisha nomnye umdok from a distance. Yeah, love child yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Because I think Glenn to be and also this is something that I always tell people about. I can't need your mona. Ayona ando is us that's gonna take us far is kuku sebenzisana. Yeah, because I was saying ba, hey, I wanna do bengena ngokola no Luthanda and like yo, I wanna do something for models, but andiazi ba dingenza ndoni, because everything else that I try to think of zine limitations, and andithandi ke mna kandingumntu we limitations. I don't wanna be, andifuna ukuthi ndifuna ukwenza into ethile and then kuthiwe hey asinayo into ethile. Let's use what we have ngoku. Yeah, I understand. So I do away with everything in limitations. So I was saying to him ba models zi creatives nabo. Yabo, and also I feel like I wanna do something for you guys, but andiyazi ba mandenze ntoni, because it seems like I can't say ba do a fashion show and catwalk. Yeah, understand. So I'm so glad that you honored the invite to come here, Ekhaya conversation, and just let us into your world. And I wish you nothing but the best.
Thank you
so cooler
much.
And ube nzwemu. Yabo?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So guys, That was Asisipho Nyathi meets
Brands.
Brands. Yeah, and then catch this interview. Nezinye on YouTube. Please subscribe, guys. Please like and set reminders and stuff. Otherwise, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next week on Wednesday at 5 p.m. again.